Good afternoon, dear students. It's me, Sharmila Khatri, in front of you to teach you mathematics. And it's from Unit 1 and topic is geometry. Okay, geometry. Do you know? It's very interesting subjects. We can play with our pencil, scales, then after protector, set squares, everything we can play over there. Okay, now before playing, let's learn something from geometry person. Are you ready to learn? Of course, we are ready, right? Okay, now shall I start? Yes, students, before starting the class, I just want to say you, let's have a look on what things we are going to learn it today. Okay, first one, that is we are going to learn about angles. What is angles? Okay, and then it's types of angle. How many types are there? Can we? Okay, then after we are going to learn about to use a protector. Okay, to use a protector for drawing an angles. Okay, now are you ready to learn? Are you ready to draw? Okay, now I'm going to start it. Please listen it very carefully, okay? Okay, now see here. First one is, it's an angle. What do you mean by angle? Define angle. Okay. Now angle mean what? The name, the two lines. When two straight lines meet in one single point, then it forms an angle. Do you understand? Once again, shall I repeat? Okay, listen it. When two straight line meets in a one point, okay, then it forms an angle. We can see from here, when these two straight line meet in a single point, this is only one point, okay, this point, then we call it as an angle. Now next, this also, these two straight line, they are meeting in a single point, this point, and this point is known as an angle. Done? Very good. Here also, two straight lines are there and they are meeting in a single point, this point. This is known as a angle. Do you understand? What do you mean by angle? Now, if you have your pen and paper with you, please write down in your notebook. Okay, when two straight lines meet in a single point, then it's called an angle. So we can give the name of this angle by the sides with a capital letter. Okay, we can write it here A, O, V, or we can write here P, Q, R, or S, T, U. Do you understand? Okay, this, the middle one, where the point is, only single point is there. Have you seen? Okay, have a look over here. This single point, this is called an angle. Angle O. We call it as a angle O. And we call this as a angle Q. Okay, and this is called angle P. It's a P. Do you understand? Good job. Now, we call the name of the angle is always written with the name of the vertex in the middle. Oh, we call this middle point as a vertex also. Yes, we have learned in grade 2 as well as in grade 3. Yes, we are moving one step up by doing revision of grade 2 and 3 as well. Okay, now see here. Then after, or a corner made between two lines joining at point. Corner made between two lines joining at a point. This point is called an angle. Okay, now you have to say me, okay, do you understand about angles? Can you give me the definition of the angles? Okay, good. I hope you can give the definition well. You have to write on your notebook also, okay? Now, its next is you are going to learn about types of angles. Okay, now first one is acute angle. What is the first one? First one is acute angle. And why we call it as acute angle, do you know? Okay, one interesting thing is it's a smaller angle. We can count it like this way. It's a smaller angle. Okay, we can see from our finger also. This is the straight line, this is the angle, and this is the line. This is straight line and this is straight line forms one small angle here. So we can say it's a acute angle. Have you noticed this one angle? See here, this one angle is known as the acute angle. It's a smaller angle. Okay, second, if you put your hands straight, arms straight, and for make another half of the arms, half like this way, can you make it? Okay, try it once. Have you seen this one straight line and this one straight line? Good. So, do you notice which one angle is formed? It's exactly from middle, straight, straight. It seems like L in shape, right? It seems L in shape or not? Yes, that L in shape is known as the right angle. What we call for it? It's a right angle. Okay. Now next type is obtuse angle. If it is smaller, if it is straight in middle, straightly right, you can see it's L in shape, and it's, can you guess it? Which type of angle is this? How it looks like? It's like B type sleeping, right? Bending his body like this way. Is it? So we call it as a bigger angle. What we call for it? It's a bigger angle. And this bigger angle is known as the obtuse angle. What we call for it? Yes, it's a obtuse angle. Now next, okay, we have learned about acute, right angle and obtuse angle. Now next is, after that we move to the reflex angle. Bending half your body like this way, rotating all the bending your body, right? See, if the line, one straight line move from here and it's complete this much angle and come it down. Have you seen in your clock? Yes. Can you guess what type of angle is this? While you see in your clock, there will be two hands. One is minute hand and another is hour hand. We are just talking about minute hand and hour hand only. Okay, we are not talking about seconds hand. Got it? We are talking about minute hand and hour hand, which we can notice it very easily. Okay, that's minute hand and hour hand works like this way. If that hour hand is in 3 o'clock, okay, 3 o'clock, and minute hands, it's coming at down, passing at down, and it's became Guess it. If it is rotate all this round, from where it will rotate? From here it will rotate, right? If we want to take if 3, after 3 what 4 will come, right? After 3, 4 o'clock, it will be 4 o'clock, right? But here we are talking about when the hands are moving, that if it is our hand, then minute hand will move from here like this way, right? Yes. But if you want to make it, if this is minute hands, then what will happen? To make a reflex angle, how the line must move? The straight line must be moved from here. So now can you guess it? How the, if the minute hand will come here, then what will happen? This is the minute hand, okay, for a few minutes, okay, it's a minute hand and it's our hand. So can you complete this rotation? Can you complete it? Guess it. You have to guess it by yourself, okay, and find out the answer. Okay, then it's called a completing half of the rotation and stopping over here, right? It's called a reflex angle. Okay, and if the clock complete one whole rotation, one complete rotation, then we call it as a complete angle. Do you understand? Okay, see here. Now, there are altogether 5 types. In grade 4, we are learning about 5 different types of angles. Okay. First one is acute angle. Second one is the right angle. Third one is obtuse angle. Fourth one is reflex angle. Fifth one is a complete turn angle. Okay. Now, after learning the types of angle, you need to write the definition. Have you written the definition by yourself? No? Okay. I will say you the definition and you have to write it, okay, in your notebook. Good. Now listen it very carefully. First one is acute angle. The definition of acute angle are the angle which are, have you written? The angle which are less than 90 degree are called acute angle. So, they are also called smaller angle. Do you understand? So, that's why they are also called a smaller angle. Now, second is right angle. The angle which are exactly 90 degree. The angle which are exactly 90 degree or having the same size. Is it? Having the size. No, not the same size. Having the size exactly 90 degree. Okay. So, they are called right angle. Once again, I will repeat this one. The angle which are exactly 90 degree or having the size 90 degree are called right angle. Have you written? Okay. Now second. Its second is already completed. Now it's time for the third. It's a obtuse angle. Can you give me the definition by yourself? Okay. Now obtuse angle mean what? Obtuse angle mean the angle which are greater than 90 degree are called obtuse angle. Okay, obtuse angle mean what? Okay, now obtuse angle mean the angle which are greater than 90 degree are called obtuse angle. Then after fourth, shall we move? Okay, let's have a look. Fourth, reflex angle. Reflex angle mean those angle having the size more than 180 degree. Okay, more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree is called reflex angle. Done. Okay, and here I have mentioned more than 180 degree, right? Might be you have learned it before classes that more than 180 mean it's a straight angle. It will be exactly straight angle. It will be exactly 180 degree. So the angle having exactly 180 degree is called a straight angle. Okay, exactly having 180 degree is a straight angle. Have you written this one? Okay, you can write it. Okay, now next let's go to the complete angle. Ready to write? Complete angle mean a complete turn. A complete turn. Just for example, in a once a year, how many days will be there in a once a year? 365, right? Okay. If 1 year completed to be a second year, then I have to pass 365 days again, right, to come next year, right or not? Yes, that the complete rotation of the 365 days, it's a complete angle. We can call it as a complete angle, or we can take another example also, that is, this is the sun. Have you noticed what is this? This is the sun, and earth takes how many days to revolve around the sun? How many days it will take? Earth will take to complete one revolution. It's take 365 days to come and stay in the same place. This complete turn is known as, one complete rotation is known as a complete angle. What we call for it? It's called a complete angle. Okay, good. Now, I hope you understood this one. I need to revise it again. Shall I need to revise it again? Okay, once again, let's have a review. Okay, angles mean what? When two straight lines meet a single point, then it forms an angle. How many types of angles are there? I have already informed you. 5 is here, 1 is missing. I have given you, this is for your surprise. Altogether, how many became? 6. Now, first one is what? First one is acute angle, smaller angle, right? Second one is what? Right angle. Straight right angle means having an L shape, or it's exactly 90 degree. Third one is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means it's bigger angle. We call it as a bigger angle and having more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Okay, then after coming straight line mean it's exactly 180 degree. So after back of that, reflex angle it will come. Reflex angle mean what? Having the angles more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. And complete turn, we have give you the example. Can you give me another example of complete turn? Okay, I have listened that. What is the complete turn angle? Do you know? Another one. Okay, I will show you. That moon will rotate round to the earth. How long does it will rotate to the earth? Moon have its own moving time, its own, what we call? Yes, what we call for it? Moving time. Moon also take, how many days it will take to cover one complete turn? To take it, one complete turn. Okay, it's take 30 to some days 31, some days is writing 32 days, right? Is it? So, but once a year we just used to count for 30 days to complete our rotations. Okay, then it's a one complete turn. It's an example of a complete turn. You can take it from your home as well. Okay, after this, only one thing is I'm going to teach you here how to use a protector. I have protector in my hand. Have you seen this one? Yes. Now it's time to learn about the protector. Will you draw one straight line? All things have completed. Now you have to use the protector, okay? All of you can take the scale and draw a straight line over here. Okay. Please write down the name of this point. A, P. Now, here inside the protector you can see one is in inner scale and outside it we call it outer scale. Two types of scale are there, inner scale and outer scale. Okay, so we are using right now, we are using the inner scale. So inner scale, it will started from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. It's from right side, right? Can you see here? Okay. So put this one point, this arrow point, middle point over in point B, just like this. So I need to draw 30-degree angle, acute angle. If I want to make acute angle, it's less than 90 degree. Anyone I can draw, okay? So I'm going to do 40 degree. So I have plot a point in place of 40. So draw it with the scale. Can we put the scale, join the point like this way? Yes. Okay. Now draw the straight line over here and make an angle like this way and right here 40 degree. Done. Same like here you can do of 90 degree. For 90 degree you have your set square in your box, you can use for it. Next classes I will show you how to use the set square also, okay? For right now you are using a protector, so I will teach you from the protector. So here right 90 degree, for 90 degree also do the same way. Draw the line PQ and again put the same thing over here in Q, point Q. Put the middle point of arrow like this way and count it. Where is the 90 degree? Please write here 90 degree. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 90. So I have to draw this point. Okay, like this way. Okay, like this way we are learning the angles and we are going to use the protector in coming session. Till that time, stay safely and be happy. Okay, thank you so much.